A gravel bag berm consists of a single row of gravel bags that are installed end to end to form a barrier across a slope to intercept runoff, reduce runoff velocity, reduce runoff as sheet flow, and provide some sediment removal from runoff. Install temporary gravel bag berms according to the following directions. Clear the bedding area for the temporary gravel bag berm of obstructions, including rocks, clods, and debris greater than 1 inch in diameter prior to installation. Place a single layer of gravel bags with ends abutted tightly and not overlapped. Position the temporary gravel bag berm such that it is installed approximately parallel to the slope contour. Angle the last 6 feet of the temporary gravel bag berm upslope. Inspect gravel bag berms during the rainy season weekly, prior to and after rainfall events, and at 24-hour intervals during extended storm events. Remember that gravel bags are sensitive to ultraviolet light and labor-intensive to use, so it is important for the contractor's water pollution control manager to inspect them on a weekly basis for damage. Inspect the bags to determine if they conform to the specifications indicated in the project's special provisions. Check to see if any bags are ripped or if they need to be reshaped. Check how much sediment has accumulated along the gravel bag berm. Ensure that someone from the contractor's staff removes accumulated sediment when it reaches 1/3 the height of the berm. Check for the presence of any washouts or rills and repair as needed. Check and determine if runoff flows under, around, or between the bags. Determine if the length of the slope draining to the berm is too long. Maintain temporary gravel bag berms such that they provide a sediment holding capacity of approximately 1/3 the height of the gravel bag berm above the ground. Remove the sediment when it exceeds this height or when directed by the resident engineer. Deposit removed sediment within the project limits in such a way that the sediment is not subject to erosion by wind or by water. Repair or replace temporary gravel bag berms on the same day the damage occurs. Replace gravel bags when the bag material is ruptured or when the yarn has failed, allowing the bag contents to spill out. If runoff flows under the bags, make sure that the bags are placed completely on the soil surface and not overlapped. Butt the ends of the bags together tightly and repair rills and washouts. When runoff flows around the ends of the bag rows, make sure that the bags are placed on a level contour and turn up the ends of each row. When runoff flows between bags, make sure that the gravel bags are butted tightly together. If there is excessive sediment accumulation, remove the accumulated sediment and apply soil stabilization measures to the contributing areas. And if the length of the slope draining to the gravel bag berm is too long, place the berms at shorter intervals. The steeper the slope, the closer together the berm should be placed. Place cones near gravel bags to prevent vehicles from driving over them, or consider the use of flexible dikes in areas where gravel bags may be damaged by vehicles.